whether there are programs.
Gavana ma kaunti Mombasa Abdulswamad Sharif Nasir oseyo piny owacho mamalo kuom rem chopo singo mane gimiyo oganda jo Kenya. Nowuoyo kinde pogo chiemo kod gikony ne oganda ma olo kelo negi midhiero kendo daro moko e miechgi e kar chungo od bura ma Kisauni, kama nowacho ni piny owacho mamalo oserem chiwo omenda moromo kelo gi midhiero mar koth mapek masani koro chwe thurka ka omenda to noseket tenge mar kedo gi midhiero ma kamano.
To date, we wish to state and clarify that county governments have not received any allocation from the national government to go towards mitigation measures for El Nino. As a matter of fact, counties are owed a total of 62.58 billion from the equitable share that is yet to be disbursed as follows. 13 counties are owed 10.17 billion for the month of September. 27 counties are owed 19.64 billion for the month of October. And finally, all counties are owed 32.76 billion for the month of November.
There is no money that any county has been given to respond to the adverse effects of El Nino up to today. And I would know, I have not received. If any governor would have received, I would know. Governors shouldn't be intimidated. They shouldn't be vilified. They should not be pitted against the people. And they should also not be pitted against each other. Governors are not in competition. No. We are each trying to deal with our own situation. There is nothing, in my view, that a governor will not do to help the situation of his people. So this is all politics. And it's very sad that we are using that kind of language against each other at a time like this.